Unit 8, Tape Script 8.1, Starter. List A. Tea, coffee, wine, cheese, yogurt, pasta, ice cream, apple juice, bread, milk, chocolate, broccoli. List B. Bananas, apples, strawberries, potatoes, carrots, peas, onions, tomatoes, eggs, biscuits, crisps, chips. Tape Script 8.2. Who's a fussy eater?
Oh, good. We have some tomatoes.
Sorry, Nick. I don't like them.
Come on, Duncan. Tomatoes are good for you. I didn't like them much when I was a child, but I love them now.
I didn't like a lot of things when I was a kid.
Ah, you were a fussy eater. What didn't you like?
I didn't like any green vegetables.
Did you like any vegetables at all?
Only potatoes. I loved chips.
What about fruit? Did you like fruit?
I liked some fruit, but not all. I didn't like bananas. I liked fruit juice. I drank a lot of apple juice.
And now you drink beer and wine.
Yeah. And coffee. But I didn't like coffee or tea when I was a kid.
So, what were your favourite foods?
I liked ice cream, chocolate, crisps, biscuits, especially chocolate biscuits. I liked all the usual things kids like.
All the unhealthy things.
I like pasta too. Pasta with tomato sauce. Oh, I love that.
Tomato sauce? But you don't like tomatoes.
Tomato sauce is different. Hey, let's not eat in tonight. Let's go out to Romano's.
Romano's, a great idea. It's my favourite Italian restaurant.
Tape Script 8.3.
Good evening, guys. Are you ready to order?
I think we are. What would you like, Nick?
Pasta, of course. I love pasta. I'd like the spaghetti bolognese.
Same for me, please. I really like spaghetti.
Great. And would you like the wine list?
No, thanks. Just a glass of red for me. Would you like some wine, Nick?
Yes, but I don't like red wine. I'd like a glass of dry white, if that's okay.
That's fine.
Oh, and can we have some water too, please?
Of course. Would you like sparkling or still?
Just some tap water, thanks.
No problem.
Tape Script 8.4. 1,
Excuse me, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a steak, please.
2,
Would you like a sandwich?
No thanks. I'm not hungry.
3,
Do you like Ella?
Yes, she's very nice.
4,
Would you like a cold drink?
Yes, please. Do you have any apple juice?
5,
Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like some stamps, please.
6,
What sports do you do?
Well, I like skiing very much.
Tape Script 8.5. 1,
What kind of wine do you like?
2,
Would you like a cheese and ham sandwich?
3,
Who's your favourite author?
4,
What do you want for your birthday?
5,
Do you have any pets?
6,
Do you want some ice cream for dessert?
Tape script 8.6. 1,
What kind of wine do you like?
I like French wine, especially red wine.
2,
Would you like a cheese and ham sandwich?
Just cheese, please. I don't like ham.
3,
Who's your favourite author? I like books by Patricia Cornwell.
4,
What do you want for your birthday?
I'd like a new computer.
5,
Do you have any pets?
No, but I'd like a dog.
6,
Do you want some ice cream for dessert?
No thanks, I don't like ice cream.
Tape script 8.7. Eating in.
This recipe for cottage pie looks easy.
But I can't cook at all.
Don't worry, I really like cooking. Now, vegetables. Do we have any onions? Are there any carrots or potatoes?
Well, there are some onions, but there aren't any carrots, and we don't have many potatoes. How many do we need?
4 big ones.
OK, put potatoes on your list.
And how many tomatoes are there?
Only 2 small ones. Put them on the list too.
How much milk is there?
There's a lot, but there isn't much cheese or butter.
OK, cheese and butter. What about herbs? Do we have any thyme?
Yeah, that's fine. But don't forget the minced beef. How much do we need?
500 grams. Now, is that everything?
I think so. Do we have oil? Oh, yeah. No, there's some left in the bottle.
OK. First shopping, then I'll give you a cooking lesson.
Oh, I'd like that. I hope the girls like cottage pie.
Everyone likes cottage pie.
Tape script 8.8. Much or many? 1,
How much toast would you like?
Just one slice, please.
2,
How much yoghurt do we have left?
Not a lot. Just 1 strawberry and 1 raspberry.
3,
How many people were at the wedding?
About 150.
4,
How much money do you have in your pocket?
Just 50p.
5,
How much petrol is there in the car?
It's full.
6,
How many children does your brother have?
2, a boy and a girl.
7,
How many days is it until your birthday?
It's tomorrow.
8,
How much time do you need for this exercise?
2 more minutes.
Tape script 8.9. What's your favourite sandwich? Angus.
I come from the north of England, and we often call sandwiches butties. My favourite butty is made with thick slices of white bread and thick slices of warm ham with hot mustard. Yes, warm ham. Delicious. Would you like to try one?
Ulla.
I'm from Denmark, so for me it's the open sandwich, of course, and my favourite is with beef. Thin slices of beef, rare beef, with some crispy fried onions on the top. I love this.
Tom.
Oh, the best sandwich in the world is definitely a bacon sandwich. Hot bacon between thin slices of white bread and with lots of tomato ketchup. Simple and very, very tasty. There's a cafe near where I work in London. I sometimes buy one for breakfast. I'd like one right now.
Marianne.
I live in Italy, So, my best is Italian. A ciabatta with chopped tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, with black olives and basil. Mozzarella's my favourite cheese, and I like cooking with it. I make my own pizza.
John.
I was in Turkey by the sea, and a fisherman called to me, "Come, try a balık ekmek." I think this means fish in bread. He gave me a sandwich. It was fresh mackerel grilled and in a bread roll with raw onions. Fabulous.
Tape script 8.10. Daily needs.
Aspirin. Chocolate. Notebook. Scissors. Adapter. Envelopes. Plasters. Sellotape. Toothpaste. Shampoo. Batteries. Screwdriver. Magazine. Newspaper.
Tape script 8.11. Shopping in the high street. 1.
I'd like some batteries, please.
What sort do you want?
AA, please.
Would you like a packet of 4 or 6?
6 is too many. 4 is enough.
Anything else?
That's all, thanks.
2.
Can I have some toothpaste, please?
Small or large?
Oh, the large is too big. The small is fine.
Anything else?
No, thanks. How much is that?
3.
I'm looking for a nice pen.
What about this one? It's £25.
No, that's too much. I don't want to spend that much.
Well, this one is £12.
That's better. And I need some pencils as well.
There are 10 pencils in this packet.
But I only want 2.
I'm afraid I only have packets of 10. Sorry.
Tape script 8.12.
I'd like a coffee, please.
I want a latte.
Give me some cake with that.
Can I have a sandwich?
A cup of tea.
Could you bring me a smoothie?
Tape script 8.13. Sounding polite.
Hi, what can I get you?
I'd like a latte, please.
Sure. Have in or take away?
Have in.
And what size do you want? Small, medium or large?
Large, please.
Would you like anything to eat? A croissant? Some toast?
I'd like some toast, please.
No problem.
Can I have some honey with the toast?
Sure. Take a seat and I'll bring it over.